so many.
Yeah.
The people, for one.
Mm-hmm.
Henti province, Henti Aimag, the people here are so welcoming. All Mongolians are, but our friends, family, people here are so nice, so welcoming. And because Henti and Chinggis Holt is small, everyone knows us. So I think that's the best part, is that when we walk around, there's always kids or people saying, "Hi Becca, hi Grant." I'm like, "Seno," you know? The people at the stores, right? The cashier, the workers always know us. They're like, "Hajit Seno," I'm like, "Hajit Sen," right? And it's very nice to know everyone in your community, because we don't get that back home in America. America's too big, our cities are too big. You don't know everyone, but here it feels like home. It's a hometown. So that to me is one of the best parts about Henti. Yeah.
Yeah. Going off what you said, yeah, always greeted with a smile, right? It's just nice people trying to do nice things for, you know, us, to accommodate us. So like you couldn't ask for much more than just a happy spirit, you know, welcoming us here.
But I will say the landscape too. The Henti River, it's beautiful to have that nearby. Because Henti is so historical, and the fact that Chinggis Khan was born here, we do feel very proud. We're like, yeah, you know, Chinggis Khan was born in our province. And we've been to Dadal Sum, we've been to Binder, and it's beautiful. That's why I called Henti vast, because there's steppe, there's countryside, but there's also forest, there's rivers, there's a historical significance here that I think every Henti person should be proud of.
Well, yeah, a big thank you, right, to the people of Henti, to the people of Chinggis City. I think I can speak for both of us on that, because we've had an amazing time here over the past 2 years, and yeah, I mean, couldn't really ask for a better experience than I think what we've had.
Yes, yeah, big thank you to everyone who embraced us and who welcomed us to this beautiful Aimag, to their homes, for everything. I can't thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. People here have accepted us and have become our friends and our family. And now I will forever consider Henti Aimag and Chinggis Holt my second home. Mongolia has given me an experience that I will carry for the rest of my life. And it's because of the people here. So a big thank you for them, for accepting us. And I truly hope that the next volunteers who come here can get the same experience, because Henti's amazing. And there will be more volunteers in the future. So please do the same for them. It's like Namik Bitki Martare, Henti Aimag Mashik Bairla. I forget the other words. Bidnar Mongol Hairteshu. That's. I think that's all I have in my head.
Bidnard Mongol Harteshu.
Bidnar
Henti
Henti Hairteshu.